G'day guys, Darcy Ninja here. Doing another YouTube video for people that out there gardening that might have hurt their lower back. Could be lawn mowing, could be doing what Ninja was doing.
Brush cutting.
Brush cutting, bit of whipper snipping. You got some heavy lawns out there too.
Yeah.
So no doubt you were having a good old crack.
Yeah.
And tell us what you've done, man.
Yeah, just got a bit of awareness around here. Just in the side, so yeah, getting the place ready for our Christmas party soon. So I'm pretty proud of the property and
Absolutely
uncovering some gems as well.
Nice little spots that we can hang out.
Yeah.
So yeah, Ninja's hosting the Chrissy party this year. But we're going to showcase in this video, we're going to uncover some key spots in the lower back that a lot of therapists miss. By the end of this video, you'll get a better understanding of how we treat here at MMT and why we get such great results. We treat clients like Ninja every day that may have hurt themselves more acutely in the garden to lifting up a book or picking up their kid. But yeah, let's get you down, Ninja, and I'll show you how we do it.
Thank you.
So, on the left side of the lower back or the right side?
That side, but you can do the left.
No, we'll do the right. We'll do the right. We'll do the side you're hurting on. So, really important thing when treating the lower back is we get our wax and we start with a connection piece on the sacrum. So this thoracolumbar junction point here, I'm using my pisiform to get a nice bit of connection there. So I actually don't want too much wax. And the problem with other practitioners or therapists out there is a lot of them are using oil, so they're slipping and not really getting a good grip on here, which it just feels, doesn't feel as therapeutic, doesn't feel as connected, doesn't feel as deep. You're going to be surface level and you're not going to be able to target those sore spots. Yes, others are using creams as well sometimes, but those creams have got oils in them or certain things that essentially aren't really good for your skin. So we've got a really nice wax here that gives me good grip and good purchase of that pelvis and that sacrum. So getting some connection there, I can get a good feel of maybe the density of the fascia. Is it dehydrated? Is it feeling jumbled up and a bit compressed through there? And we're just working that ilium. So working around the pelvis there, getting some connection of his glute, from the glute max all the way around to his glute med. Good. And then my second stroke, I'm going to get right into the corner here. Right into, I'll show you here, Leo, right into, look in this corner. There you go. Look, there's a little bit of crap board in there. There's like shit. And we're going to get into the corner of that. That's Ninja's lower back. That's where things become blocked up and stubborn and stuck. Okay? So getting into there with my pisiform. Yeah, when you're doing a really proper clean, when you're vacuuming, right? You vacuum the middle of the carpet and the floors or the tiles or whatever. Most of the time, the stuff really spreads out and it's really easy to get to. But when you're doing a really thorough clean, you've got to get right into that corner because that's where things manifest, grow, foster. Similar to Ninja's chronic lower back pain. Well, other people's lower back pain. For today, Ninja's actually got some acute stuff that he's hurt doing his whippersnipper stuff. And he's pulled something up a little bit higher here, but what we do here, our methods are precise, they're deep.
They work.
And they work. They're really slow. It's not about moving fast through here and trying to, cover as much surface area. It's hitting key spots. It's holding them, waiting there, and allowing that tissue to really change its shape.
It's good.
So I'm getting into that money spot there. Our money spots are those areas in the body that essentially we're targeting key spots that are going to have a really good snowball effect or this cascading effect in a positive way that are going to create long-lasting change. So we run a money spot weekend, giving away one here on our little YouTube video. But what you'll learn when you come and do these money spot weekends is what it feels like. So how to receive it, but also then how to do it. But receiving it is really important because you need to be on the other end, so you know as a practitioner what you're doing to your clients and how it feels, what referral patterns you're getting, so you can really get a bit better understanding and experience of what's actually happening underneath the elbow, because you can't feel it. You can see it. It's great to watch, and it's really cool to learn. But you need to experience it as well. Then you'll learn it. What you're feeling for, what I'm doing with this elbow. There's a whole lot more to it. It's not overcomplicated. It's really simplified, but there's a blueprint there that you can learn, understand, and we can use this on any joint, tendon, ligament, muscle in the body, fascia, skeleton, bone, anywhere. We treat the whole body, and I've been doing it for almost 10 years. I've treated over 1,000 clients a year, sometimes 1,500 clients a year. So you do the maths. I've probably treated 15,000, 14,000 clients, and a whole lot of those clients had lower back pain. Sometimes, as I said, acute, sometimes chronic. But just as I'm talking there, I'm feeling his transverse process as I'm pushing back into that. The really cool thing about the money spots is, yes, Ninja feels the pain up here, but it could be coming from that little corner, like we showed you, where the thing is blocked, where you're feeling like the blood is more stagnant, not getting that same blood flow and circulation through there. So we're getting that unblocked, cleared, cleaned out, and then working out there. Cool. So you can see where we were there. I'm going to go a little bit higher. So you can see Ninja's erector, his spinous process. You can see that on his lower back. I want to get really close in next to his spinous process. That's where his erector spinae group is, but we need to get inside of that to hit his laminar groove. And in there is another little spot for blockages, for build up, for things to attain and grow and turn into things like chronic pain, or sometimes we get little bone spurs because of too much collagen build up, or scar tissue, or calcium. You know, we've got bad calcium as well that can essentially grow like on a barnacle on a boat that's been sitting in the water and it hasn't been taken out. All you need to do is take that boat out and drive around and is it drive? Do you drive a boat? Yeah, I guess you do. Drive the boat around
on the trailer.
Because it's going to come off. You go fast enough and move. Yeah. But that's the importance of the other part of what we do here. Clean first, build second, live free. We need to build you up, strengthen you, move the body, mobilise the joints.
And the whippersnipping's
A different movement. There's a lot of rotation, so you've got to train specific to that as well, more functional.
All right, I'm going to get into the good bits here. I'm into Ninja's QL.
Whoa, yeah.
How's that there, man?
It's money.
That's money. So just a little bit higher up.
Yeah. Initially it's intense and it backs off. And each new spot's intense.
Yep.
Backs off as you melt it.
Yep. If you're experiencing lower back pain, don't hesitate. Do jump online, book a spot with myself, Ninja. We've got another 19 practitioners here. Grown a really, really cool team that are all trained. They've all learnt our concepts. They've all got a really clear understanding of what they're doing, just so when you do get treatment at MMT, your experience is very similar. We're treating you like this, deep, slow, with purpose, and doing it thoroughly to give you the best opportunity to heal, to get back to doing the things you love doing, kicking the footy, whatever it is on the weekend that you like doing, going to the gym, going to the run, swimming, fishing, hiking. Maybe you just want to chill out, laze about, lie on the grass, lay on the beach. Maybe your back hurts while you're lying down.
Yes. Yeah. Money.
That's money. A little bit higher up.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Can feel a little spot in there.
Yep.
So what I'm feeling for there under my elbow is a solid point, something that is adhesive, hardened, and essentially over time has built up. So yes, Ninja's lower back pain might be more acute, and he's done this yesterday in the garden, but essentially it's more like the straw that broke the camel's back. There's a build up there. There's some tension that or a knot that's been stubborn and holding on for quite some time. And essentially, that's the importance of preventative treatment, getting in and getting your maintenance rub before the light comes up on your dashboard in your car. Go and take your car in for a service. Take your body in for a service. You know, we get one body, one vessel through this life. You don't get to go and take your car in and trade it and sell it and buy a new one. I mean, your body. Sorry, Ninja, there's a fair bit in there. So it's really important. Recovery is really important. And a big part of your recovery is your body work. That's what we're doing here. Oh, a bit sore under that rib.
Yeah.
That got better.
Yeah.
After a few goes. Even on top of that rib, let's go up here a bit.
There's something. Yeah, just in there.
Yep, a bit up higher. Nice, even higher again. Bit of a shimmy. That's really cool. Yes, it's uncomfortable pushing into pain, but you've got to feel it to heal it, and that's really important to push into it, to alleviate it. Don't fluff over it. Nice, and I just want to see if there's anything left in here with a thumb. It's getting better.
Yeah.
Pretty clean. We'll try a little bit higher. Doing real work here, guys. We're practitioners fixing clients every day.
Oh, just there. Oh, far out.
Okay, right
That's
there.
fucking-
Find the spot. That's it. I'm going to double thumb just to...
It's a bit of a bullseye.
Bullseye. Nailed it.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's really important information. Ninjas, let me know there. That's it. Those 2 words.
That's it.
And clean that out. Alright. For the sakes of this video, we're going to leave it there. If this is something that you'd like to learn, head to the link below, book a call, apply for us now. Ninja will teach you. He's been pioneering this stuff for 30 years. He wants the world to be better body workers. He wants your books to be full. He wants you getting 5-star reviews and you being that go-to practitioner in your area, wherever it is in the world. So book the application below in the link. Book a call with myself or Aaron, and let's see if you're the right fit. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Let's get it done.